Rolling real estate, transforming school buses into tiny homes. Hey everyone, welcome. Let's kick things off with a twist. Imagine rolling down the open road in what was once a familiar school bus. But hold on to your seat because it isn't your typical bus ride. It's your ticket to the most extraordinary homes on wheels that you've ever seen. We're diving headfirst into the captivating world of unconventional homes on wheels, the amazing conversion of old school buses into stylish, functional, and surprisingly cozy tiny homes. Let's talk about the jaw-dropping transformation process. It's like witnessing a real estate magic trick unfold before your very eyes. Out go the rows of seats and in come comfy sofas, kitchenettes, and even bathrooms with all of the amenities you'd expect. These buses are like Mary Poppins' bag. They're much bigger on the inside than they appear. The clever design and space-saving hacks are nothing short of mind-blowing. You won't believe how much you can fit into one of these mobile marvels. Imagine parking your tiny bus home in some of the most breathtaking locations, by the beach, in the mountains, or even right in the heart of the city. It's like having a front row seat to nature's wonders or the urban jungle, all from the comfort of your tiny palace on wheels. Many bus conversions are eco-friendly with solar panels, composting toilets, and even energy-efficient appliances. Living off the grid has never been this stylish. If you're the kind of person who craves adventure and wants to break free from the traditional four walls, consider the world of school bus tiny homes. For more fantastic real estate tips and stories, subscribe, like, follow, and hit that notification bell.